everyone, if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be reviewing also hyped soap brow trend. It didn't sound good. Basically, I'm gonna be checking out the soap brow trend. I haven't tried this yet whatsoever, so it might go really bad. But I'm not gonna be using the normal soap. I'm gonna be using the actual product release for a soap brow trend. This one is by Makeup Revolution and it's actually called Soap Brow. So what it says, Soap Brow, hold brows in place whilst creating fluffy styling. Super brand new. I haven't opened this yet, checked it out or anything, have no idea if it's gonna work for me or no. So let's open this up and see. I wanna break my nails, that's what I use the tweezer. I love this gold rose packaging, it's cute. So we have a big mirror here, which is handy, you know, and then this soap bar part. So with a soap bar, if you would go and do soap bar brows, although I haven't done this, but I presume you would need to wet it a bit, so you're gonna get more like sticky. Therefore, it would, you know, stick on your brows so you can style it up to this fluffy looking brows. It actually has directions in here how to use. It says dampen the applicator and swipe across the soap. Brush gently across the brows in desired direction to create a 3D look or use without water to hold brows in place. So we need to dampen the applicator. I didn't mention it comes with a little applicator. This looks like a tiny toothbrush. Super dense. Oh my goodness, you guys. I get it why it would make your brows, you know, look fluffy because this is super dense. So the reason why I never tried with actual soap, because soap is really drying and I feel like it would just crack on my brows, although I do have super oily skin. I'm not wearing any makeup whatsoever yet, as I always start my makeup routine from my brows and then I will do eyes and face and all the rest. So I'm just gonna do like they say and dampen the applicators. I think what I'm gonna do first, maybe I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up a little bit. So this is how it looks before we've done anything. It looks okay. I wouldn't go without any product on it because I feel like my brows finishes here. The brush is wet. I'm gonna just swipe it on the soap. Try to make the soap wet so some product gonna get stuck on this. Let's try and do some magic. So I'm just gonna brush her up and see what's gonna happen. So first what I wanna do, I want to brush all brow hair up and later I'm gonna style it a bit to, you know, suit my face. I'm not gonna leave it like this because it looks far too big for my face. Alright, so this here and here, it just doesn't listen, you guys. I think like this looks ridiculous. Oh my god, I look like a Wolverine. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do, I'm taking this spule by Real Techniques where I have brow brush, spule, whatever you prefer. It's absolutely clean and what I'm doing, I'm just kind of make my brow a bit smaller so it's still stretched out. But obviously the brow is far too big for my face and it just looks ridiculous. So I'm just kind of brushing to the side. I don't know if I like it or not. Like I'm literally doing this for the very first time in front of you, this soap brow trend. I do need a bit of a color, like I wouldn't go with my brows like this because I feel like especially the end of the brow kind of disappears. So I'm gonna add a bit of a Focus and Fix Eyebrow Shaping Kit by Makeup Revolution in medium dark. I'm gonna use this color in here. I'm just taking the Real Techniques eyebrow brush. I'm gonna go and kind of stroke motion and fill in the gaps. Alright, I don't know, what do you guys think if comparing these two brows? As I mentioned, I'm doing this soap brow trend for the very first time using a brand new product that I never used before. So I'm trying to review this if it actually works and if it's easy to do this trendy soap brow. What do you guys think? Did I nail it or I failed big time? I think it's not too bad. I don't know if I would wear it actually. I'm gonna do quickly this brow as well. So once again, what I do, I just take some setting spray like this. I want it to be like sticky. Brush brush your brow up once again, exactly the same. Actually, you know, like I'm kind of warming up to this look. I think even without this brow powder, it doesn't look too bad. Like it looks like I have actual brows now. Once again, I'm taking the brow powder. Like ideally I would want it to fade it through, but I feel like I put this far too much. I'm trying this for a very first time. As I mentioned, I just unboxed this in front of you. Never tried this trend. It's like my very first time. Would I wear this? I don't know. Like, what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Have you tried this yet? Like this trend? Right, so the product by Makeup Revolution, it definitely works. Like my brows are sitting in place and it's gonna be till I'm gonna remove it. The question is it wearable? Like, would you wear this look? I agree that I put a bit too much powder in here and too heavy-handed. I would need to fix it. It's the very first time I've been doing this, so please forgive me for my mistakes. What do you guys think? Is it yay or is it nay for the feathered brow look and the so brow trend? The product itself, thumbs up from me. It works. If you opt for this look, go get it. It's good. Plus, it's not the actual soap, so it shouldn't dry your skin, you know, around your brows. So yeah, what do you guys think? Yay or nay? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this review tutorial kind of ish video. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. You guys don't even know how much it would mean to me if you would press that button to subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see up on my channel, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day.